Everybody come welcome, welcome to the party. Come welcome, welcome. As another cup for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hello. President Archana Khandelwal, District Chairman Deepika Baliji, District Treasurer Dr. Anju Ahuja is here. Yeah. District Editor Anshu Singh Dagar. Our club advisor PDC Manju. PDC ये क्या हो रहा है? President of other clubs, members and guests, a warm welcome to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be the master of ceremony today for this important COV meeting and our 579th GBM. Now I request Club Secretary Anup Asijia to call up President Archana Khandelwal. And I request Anshu Singh Dagar to please call up District Chairman Deepika. I now request Club President Archana to escort District Chairman Deepika ji for the lighting of the lamp. And I also request the Club Secretary Anup to escort Club Advisor Manju Velji for the lighting of the lamp. I request
विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय सुरप्रियाय लंबोदराय सकलाय जगदिताय नागाननाथ श्रुतियज्ञ विभूषिताय गौरी सुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्तुताय नमो नमस्तुताय नमो नमस्तुताय गणदेवा गणदेवा दो शुभ आशीषें शुभ मंगल सब होवे गणदेवा दो शुभ आशीषें Good morning. On the 579th General Body Meeting of Innerville Club of Delhi Midtown, to welcome District Chairman Deepika Baliji, District Editor Dr. Anshu Singh Dagar ji, Deepa Goyal ji, respected PDCs of our club, club advisor, PDC Manju Vaishji, PDC Pushpa Bhargav ji, PDC Manju Mittal ji, PDC PAD DPCC Seema Khaitan ji, PS PDC Dr. Urvashi Mittal, club members, hello, club members and esteemed guests, I extend a very warm welcome to everyone who's present here today. COV, it's not just any other occasion. It's an opportunity for all members to reflect upon a journey on the path of InnoV and to reaffirm our commitment to the goals of community service, good fellowship, and to be able to practice integrity and service above self. On behalf of all members of our club, I once again welcome all dignitaries and guests here today. We are honored by your presence and very grateful for your time and support. Thank you. Thank you, Archana.
It's our honor to welcome District Chairman Deepika Bali ji and district dignitaries and PDCs of our club. आपके स्वागत के लिए कुछ पंक्तियाँ। मंगल है ये आज की बेला, शुभ है ये आगमन आपका, स्वागत आपका। पुष्प स्वीकार करें अब, कारज को शुभ आशीष दे अब, धन्य भाग जो आप पधारे, धन्य हुआ ये आंगन हमारा, स्वागत है, शुभ स्वागत आपका। I now request President Archana to welcome District Chairman Deepika ji.
चेक कर सकते हैं दिसंबर सीमा दिसंबर
सागर
मेरी दिल्ली के सीमा जी ने
नम्रता PP Namrata Badwa will welcome Club Advisor PDC Manju Vaishji. Anju Jain will welcome DPCC PNE Seema Khaitan. Pushpa Bhargav. Secretary report.
Respected members, I welcome distinguished Chairman Deepika Bali ji, distinguished Vice Chairman Deepa Goyal ji, our PDCs, club members and members from the district and our guests. Success is sum of all efforts repeated day in and day out. As a secretary second year, I stand here more confident, more prepared, with blessings and love, and of course training from my seniors and love of my friends who have guided me and nurtured me. Under the dynamic leadership of my president, who's unstoppable, has been so involved and with immense leadership, besides just finishing 2 family weddings, has managed to keep the flag flying high. With celebrating 50th charter year to doing meaningful projects with great pump and show, inspires me a lot. I would like to thank our past president, Kiran Auntie, who has been a guiding force for me and is always there to help me. Our dynamic Deepika Baliji, who is also a force to reckon with, and thank you dear members for your continual support. Presenting almost half-yearly report, it's been a very serviceful 5.5 months. Our club has helped all our members who have contributed wholeheartedly. We've been able to do so many projects which are touching lives of many people. A little effort from us has multiplier effect in changing someone's life. Reading out the project report briefly. Our club has done 6 projects. Total amount spent is 8,85,562. Total beneficiaries 1,217. Our club paid Sardar Patel Vidyalaya is our annual project. We have been doing it's a continual project. We've been doing it for many years. We have sponsored 5 students for entire year of scholarship.
Wow.
Our club donated money for STEM lab for education learning which integrates science and technology, engineering and mathematics. Our club donated money for 40 dual benches and tables to IP Hindu Senior Secondary Girls School in Jama Masjid. This is also our annual project. We do it every year. We help the school every year. Our club donated following items to MCT School Jaunapur: library furniture, 3 tables, 21 chairs, books, bags, water tank 1000 liters, 6 dustbins, 1 garden slide, and teacher's salary for entire year, 2 teachers' salary for entire year, and 1 helper salary for 1 year. Our club donated money to Pratibha Vikas Center to support educational needs of underprivileged children of Khadda Park. Our club donated tuition fees for the entire year for Mr. Ryan Kashar Thomas for his further studies at IIILM Institute, Gurgaon. Under Hygiene, Health and Hygiene Committee, our club did 3 projects. Total amount spent is 2,75,000. Number of beneficiaries are 274. Our club donated 174 packets of sanitary napkin to the girls of IP school. Our club arranged a mobile dental van for full dental checkup and valuable counseling and information on dental hygiene. Our club donated supplementary nutrition kits like dal, dalia, chana, etc. to 30 pregnant women of Jaunapur village. Under Family Welfare Committee, our club has done 6 projects. Total amount spent is 5,56,370 rupees. Total beneficiaries is 6,711. Our club donated delivery kits and to 30 pregnant ladies of Jaunapur village. The delivery kits contain Dettol, blade, bandage. They also contain a kit for the newborn baby for hygienic delivery. Our club donated slippers to children of MCD school, Jaunapur, bringing smiles to them. Our club donated money to NGO Sakshi for the benefit of flood-hit people of Punjab. Our club donated 7 kg rice, a shock therapy machine in Vrindavan for patients suffering from chronic pain and various neuromuscular conditions. Our club donated 200 newborn baby sets to the delivery ward, to 200 newborn babies in the delivery ward of Safdarjung Hospital. Under Environment and Animal Care Committee, we have done 4 projects. Total amount spent under this committee is 1,34,100 rupees. Total beneficiaries is 14,201. Club planted 216 Madhu Kamini trees, 2 Kachnar trees, 2 Jarkhanda trees, Amaltas trees, Gulmohar trees in Acharya Tulsi Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya. Our club planted 51 trees in a park at Khadda colony in Badarpur. Our club bought 10 benches made from 100% recycled plastic waste One of these benches is proposed to be installed in Arun Jaitley Stadium. The vintage Thela project, gently used clothes were given for this project to an underprivileged family for sale on the Thela. This project was brainchild. Hello. This project was brainchild of Dr. Urvashi Mitra. Under Women Empowerment Committee, we have done 5 projects. Total amount spent is 14,34,130 rupees. Total beneficiaries is 3,400 people. Money was donated to Skill Development Center for Girls in Tughlakabad. 13 lakhs were donated for this project. Total donation was done by Seema Kitana. 5 swing machines were given to PhD Family Welfare to support young women and girls at Okla PhD Center. Miss Kumkum was given financial aid to pursue her final year of nursing course. Rise and Run event was organized along with slogan writing by AV. Swing machines were donated to help train women and girls in PhD Center at Deoli. Support to differently abled committee. Under this committee, we've done 7 projects. Total number of beneficiaries is 1,096 and the total amount spent is 7,58,260 rupees. 20 wheelchairs were donated to Wheeling Happiness Foundation. This is under Deepa Malik's paralytic athletes. Our club donated money for treadmill to Vatsalya Education Society for autistic children. We donated money for Saksham project for installing health ATM. Our club donated bandage material for the club food project patients at the Safdarjung Hospital. Our club supported NGO Burn Healing Foundation for operation of 2 patients, Santosh and Sabika. Our club contributed for training and education of people with disabilities at Hosla Foundation. This Hosla Foundation trains special people for dance, theatre and singing for therapeutic and livelihood needs. Our club on its Charter Day event honored 4 visually impaired young budding singers from Hosla Charitable Trust. Under support to Senior Citizen Committee, our club has done 5 projects. Total amount spent is 15,81,890 rupees. Total number of beneficiaries is 889. Our club donated ration and other essential to senior citizen of Guru Vridh Ashram. Our club donated medicines, clothes, adult diapers, anaj and housekeeping stuff for senior citizen of John Day Care Center at Ayanagar. Our club donated wheelchairs to elderly patients at Shios Center in Okla. Our club donated ration for the senior citizen of the Shios Center. Our club donated money for ceiling renovation project at the senior care Shios Care Center. Hello. The ceiling renovation project was a big project of 12 lakhs and was sponsored by Sangeeta ji. And this was very important because all the older people sit there during sun and they do their interaction, lunch, other activities under that ceiling. Inner Wheel Promotion and Branding Committee, we have done 3 projects. Total amount spent is 1,52,800. Number of beneficiaries is 1,140. Our club donated Inner Wheel branded umbrellas to 10 needy women. Our club donated 1,000 kgs millet at Safdarjung Hospital on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday to the women. This project was sponsored by Seema Kitanji. Our club distributed Inner Wheel branded Milton flask and Inner Wheel branded jute bags.
Thank you, Anu. Now I request the treasurer, Charu Mehta.
Let me announce the amount. The total amount spent so far is 56 lakhs 33,612 rupees. Total beneficiaries are pleasure and respect.
Now I request Treasurer Charu Mehta to please give her
ज़्यादा करोगे इससे? ना इससे ज़्यादा नहीं। ना बस श्रीमती हो। अभी आपको क्या पता सीओवी में क्या क्या कर चुके हैं? अभी मैं बोलूँगी तो आपको पता चलेगा।
जब गोल्डन पे आई थी तो नहीं आई थी।
Respected President Archana Khandewal ji, distinguished Chairman Deepika Bali ji, District Editor Dr. Anshu Singh Tagar ji, respected PDCs of our club, Club Advisor PDC Manju Vaish ji, PDC Pushpa Bhargav ji, PDC Manju Mittal ji, PDC PNE DPCC Seema Ketan ji, esteemed club members and guests. A very warm welcome to all. As we begin the review for our charter year 25-26, I'd like to begin with a beautiful quote by Robert Ingersoll. We rise by lifting others. As your treasurer, I'm honored to share that our financial strength is far more than just numbers. It is driven by service, friendship, and generosity. This year, Delhi Midtown comprises of 54 members. We have fulfilled all our financial commitments and paid rupees 42,490 as district dues. Our financial operations are managed through two bank accounts, Charity and Administration at Bank of Baroda, GK2. We continue to uphold the 2:1 ratio between these accounts for efficiency and meaningful service. We have 4 fixed deposits. Our day book, ledger book, voucher book and receipt books are meticulously recorded to ensure transparency and accountability. For the past 6 years, our accounts have been audited by a CA, Mr. Ashok Jain of KC Jain and Company, and our operations continue under an AOP PAN card to ensure full compliance. Before I conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our club president, Archana Khandewal ji, for her dynamic and impactful leadership in this charter year. To our club secretary, Anu Pachisia, ISO Preeti Jain, Vice President Sadhana Jain ji, and editor Padhu Gupta ji for their support. Namrata Wadhwana ji for being my go-to person, and past President Kiran Bimani ji for her love and encouragement. Heartfelt appreciation to our stalwarts of the club, Manju Vaish ji, Pushpa Bhargav ji, Manju Mittal ji, along with Urvashi Mittal ji, Seema Ketan ji, Meghna Singhal and Neena Nair ji. I know she's not here and we're missing her today. For their love and support. To all our wonderful club members whose generosity, warmth and willingness to contribute strengthen the very foundation of our club. I would like to congratulate Amita ji. I would like to thank her today for hosting this lovely COV meeting for us at her lovely venue, residence venue.
खड़े हो जाए अमिता जी।
Congratulations to Deepika Bali ji and her team for the excellent district work. And I know Anju ji is not here, but thank you for District Treasurer Anju ji, Dr. Anju Ahuja ji for her constant guidance and patience. Thank you all for making our club not just an organization of service, but a true family. Thank you.
Thank you, Charu. Now I look forward to the ISO report presented by ISO PPJ.
Warm inner-wheel greetings. I feel honored and excited to take up the post of ISO letters. I have attended BK Shivani and drug abuse webinar, which was really meaningful and useful. We have done inner wheel branding by distributing umbrellas, Milton thermals and inner wheel vintage thela. I have taken part in 10 competitions and got second prize in salad making and participation certificate in Surya Namaskar. We have floated inter-district millet competition and which got real good response. Our club member and Anju Jain got different prizes. Deepika Baliji, board members and my inner wheel friends for constant support and cooperation. Thank you.
सामने मैम सामने सामने
From Miraji and 20,000 from Manmohini ji to be handed over to Dr. Rajiv Ahuja from Burn Healing Foundation for 2 surgeries. Archana check to Deepika ji to give it. In Delhi and NCR. They are provided free education and health facilities. Our club is providing sweaters and station.
सामने देखेंगे सर सामने देखेंगे
$135 blankets worth 67,500 sponsored by PDC Seema Khetan was given to Shios Care Center. We have 5 blankets here to showcase. Please hand over them to Dr. Bhagat of Shios.
मैम सामने देखेंगे
A check of rupees 1 lakh from President Archana and 50,000 from Rashmi Bansali for 2 surgeries of hip replacement and knee replacement is to be given to Dr. Bhagat for Shios. And Advocate District Chairman Deepika ji to hand over the check. $1,000 to Deaf and Dumb Center in Karkatuma for the district project. Now I request Dr. Bhagat to say a few lines.
अर्चना खंडेलवाल प्रेसिडेंट, बाली जी चेयरमैन, एंड मैं समझता हूँ यहाँ पर सभी पुण्य आत्माएँ हैं। काफ़ी सीनियर हमारी जो भार्गव फैमिली है जो कि हमें बहुत सपोर्ट करती रही है। और इनर व्हील क्लब आप लोग जानते हैं मीना जी को, मीना कपूर, अभी हमने उनको लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड भी दिया है। और पूरी मैं समझता हूँ कि जब से हो गया, हम दिल्ली के अंदर सबसे पहले मैं सड़कों से बुजुर्गों को उठाना शुरू किया था। 22 साल से मैं उठा रहा हूँ। सबसे पहला दिल्ली का ओल्ड एज होम और सबसे बड़ा ओल्ड एज होम अब तो बहुत नज़दीक में है, आपके जसोला के साथ में ओखला है, अबू फजल इनक्लेव। अगर आप लोग वहाँ पर सबसे बड़ा जो काम मैं आपको बताऊँ, एक इंसिडेंट, बारिश हो रही थी, अर्चना जी वहाँ गई हुई थी, और जो हमारा बहुत बड़ा शेड है जहाँ पर बुजुर्ग सुबह 7 बजे से लेकर के रात के 7 बजे तक बैठते हैं, वहीं लंच करते हैं, डिनर करते हैं, उसके बाद सोने जाते हैं। बारिश हो रही थी और अष्टमी थी और वहाँ पर आधा सेट पानी उसमें टपक रहा था। इन्होंने देखा, इमीडिएटली वो बहुत सुंदर अब तो बन गया। मैं तो कहूँगा कि एक बार आप अपनी मीटिंग वहाँ रख लीजिए, आपको पता चलेगा कि इन्होंने कितना सुंदर बनवाया है। लगभग 12.5 लाख का उसमें जो है, और अभी हम लोग और कुछ करके उसको बहुत सुंदर और बना रहे हैं। और ये जितने भी बुजुर्ग हैं, यू विल बी सरप्राइज, बहुत अमीर घरों में, उनको डिमेंशिया हो गया, पैरालाइज्ड हो गए, उनका परिवार उन्हें सड़क पर फेंक दिया। गरीब लोग मुश्किल से वहाँ 20% होंगे, 80% मैनेजर, इंजीनियर, प्रोफेसर, डॉक्टर्स, अभी भी वहाँ MBBS MD डॉक्टर हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट। ये लोग हैं, जब वो लाचार हो गए तो नो डाउट सभी फैमिलीज नहीं, बहुत सेवा करने वाले लोग हैं जो परिवार में अपने बुजुर्गों को बहुत मान सम्मान देते हैं, सेवा करते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो सड़क पर फेंक देते हैं। एक ऐसा समय है, आज मैं आप सबसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करने आया हूँ कि सर्दियों में सबसे ज़्यादा घर से बुजुर्ग निकाले जाते हैं। क्यों निकाले जाते हैं? क्योंकि सड़कें 11 बजे रात के बाद सुनसान हो जाती हैं, सिर्फ कारें चलती हैं। इसमें इस मौके का फ़ायदा उठा करके फैमिली के लोग अपने बुजुर्गों को बहुत ज़्यादा सड़क पर फेंकते हैं। प्लीज़ जो है, आप लोगों के जान पहचान में कहीं भी आप लोग मीटिंग में, कहीं गैदरिंग में, कहीं भी आप लोग जाते हैं, हमारा नंबर ज़रूर बता दें कि कहीं कोई बुज़ुर्ग सड़क पर मिले तो हमें कॉल कर दें। हमारी 2 गाड़ियाँ, अभी मैं रिसेंटली रेखा गुप्ता जी से मिलने वाला हूँ, उनको भी बोलने जा रहा हूँ कि हम तैयार हैं, चाहे 400, 500, 1000 जितने भी बुज़ुर्ग आएंगे, हमारी कैपेसिटी है, हम लोग रख लेंगे। हमारा हिंदुस्तान का भी सबसे बड़ा ओल्ड एज होम हम लोग रन करते हैं और वो है गढ़मुक्तेश्वर। कभी आप लोगों का ट्रिप बने गंगा की तरफ, नियरेस्ट गंगा जो है हमारी गढ़मुक्तेश्वर में है, और वहाँ विश्व का सबसे सुंदर ओल्ड एज होम हम रन करते हैं। कैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ, अभी 10 दिन पहले IITians का जो व्हील ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, जितने इंडियंस IITians हैं अमेरिका में, उनकी व्हील्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उनके प्रेसिडेंट आए थे। मैं बहुत कंट्रीज़ में गया हूँ, इतना सुंदर ओल्ड एज होम अनाथ बूढ़ों के लिए कहीं नहीं मिला। तो आप लोग प्लीज़ जो है, और अभी जो इतना बड़ा काम आप लोगों ने किया है, यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन बुजुर्गों का हिप रिप्लेसमेंट कितना टफ होता है, इतना डिफिकल्ट होता है, और वो हम लोग 4-5 कर चुके हैं। अभी एक हिप रिप्लेसमेंट और एक नी रिप्लेसमेंट अपने ओल्ड एज में। हमारा अपना OT है गढ़मुक्तेश्वर में, हमारी अपनी पैथोलॉजी लैब है, हमारा डिजिटल एक्सरे है, फिजियोथेरेपी सेंटर है, ये सारी चीज़ें। वहाँ पर तो हमारी 70 गायें हैं, गौशाला है बहुत बड़ी, सारी अच्छी नस्ल की गिर जैसी गायें हैं। वहाँ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग होती है। कभी आप लोग ज़रूर, मैं कहूँगा कि एक ट्रिप बनाएं वहाँ का। अभी हमारा रोटेरियन, मैं भी रोटेरियन, मैं आपके ही क्लब का हूँ, और हम लोग गए थे, पूरा टीम हमारी गई थी गढ़मुक्तेश्वर में, तो बहुत आप लोग अच्छा लगेगा। 2 जगह, एक बार आप मैडम प्लीज़ आप भी आएँ। मैं कहूँगा कि आप आकर उन बुजुर्गों को देखें। माताएं तो इतना प्यार करती हैं, इतना सबको दुआएं देती हैं। बाबा लोग हैं, 500 से ज़्यादा बुजुर्ग हमारे पास रह रहे हैं। अब ये एक नी रिप्लेसमेंट और ये जो हिप रिप्लेसमेंट है, आप लोग जानते हैं कि कम से कम 5-6 लाख रुपए से कम नहीं लगेगा। वो भी हॉस्पिटल्स में बहुत मुश्किल है, बुजुर्गों का जल्दी करते नहीं है लोग। और नी, वो हम सिर्फ 80,000 में और 70,000 में नी रिप्लेसमेंट हो रहा है, जो कि 3-4 लाख रुपए लगते हैं। हम लोग उससे पहले भी तो रेगुलर करते रहते हैं, क्योंकि बुजुर्गों को सबसे ज़्यादा फीमर फ्रैक्चर ये सब होता है। तो मैं ज़्यादा समय ले लिया हूँ, लेकिन मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा। बट एक बात अब सबको इनवाइट करता हूँ कि एक बार ज़रूर जसोला के पास अबू फजल इनक्लेव है, अभी वहाँ पर बनता जा रहा है। अभी 2 साल पहले यहाँ शुरू किए थे, और वहाँ जरूर आप लोग आए।
First of all, who have lent their time, effort, contribution and will to make possible the projects which we have achieved. Thank you very much to all the members, all the club members. I thank my team who has been with me always. I also want to thank my seniors who have not only guided me but also helped me all along the way. All the seniors, thank you so much. There are a few projects which are very close to my heart, and I like to mention the wheelchairs for the Paralympic athletes. It is a very distinguished project, very uncommon, and we did it right at the beginning of the year. We've done a lot We have done a lot in the differentially abled projects this year in many areas. In the lab, in Hosla, in Wheeling Happiness and others also. The Skill Center at Udan by Srimati Ji for the women empowerment is also a very good project. Very well done. The surgeries for burn survivors is also a very good project. We are second time this year, and it's an ongoing project. It's an ongoing project. It's an ongoing project which we like to continue always. Also, the elderly NGOs, which Dr. Bhagat just mentioned. Last but not the least, what is the word project? We did it just now. We gave sewing machines at the PhD Family Welfare at Tegan Okla. By giving those, we are helping the women to live with dignity. We look towards the future with positivity and determination. Our club has the ethos of doing good projects. We will continue doing ongoing projects always and wholeheartedly participate with the district ones. 2 government schools at Sarbari and Aryanagar are in dire need of furniture, repair and other requirements. Our club would like to explore those and be able to do something for them. Our city is suffering from severe air pollution. Planting trees and responsible behavior, contributing for the environment, especially water conservation, will be our attempt continuously. Always open to new areas of service, Innerweal Club Delhi Midtown continues. Thank you.
And now I request Editor Madhu Gupta to give the birthdays and anniversaries.
Thanks, Vidya. Hello, everyone. On behalf of our midterm club, सबसे पहले I would like to wish our DC on her special birthday today.
Oh, it's your birthday?
It is Rishika's birthday, so on behalf of all the club members, I would like to
अभी केक कटेगा
and so thoughtful. आज आपको जन्मदिन के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. And दीपिका जी, you are a true Sagittarius person. आपके नाम में ही आपकी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज जो है ना वो इंक्लूडेड है. दीप जो आगे बढ़कर उजाला करे. एम्पैथी जो सेवा को संवेदना बनाए. E for elegance जो बिना कहे दिख जाए. P पर्पस जो राह दिखाए. I इंटीग्रिटी जो भरोसा जगाए. And K काइंडनेस जो दिलों तक जाए. And A for आत्मा जो नेतृत्व में भी विनम्र रहे. अभी B for balance. You're so balanced. विचार और व्यवहार में. A approachability जो सबको अपना बनाए. L for leadership. Step up and lead का आपने असली सच्चा अर्थ सबको समझाया. And I for impact जो कई जिंदगियों को छुए. आपने इतना जिंदगी को छुआ है. ईश्वर करे यह दीपिका यूं ही आगे बढ़कर जलती रहे. कभी आशा बनकर, कभी दिशा बनकर और हर मन में नेतृत्व का उजाला भरती रहे. जन्मदिन की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
हमारी माता जी ने पूरा काम किया है. लोग ज्यादातर नाम का एक्सप्लेनेशन करते हैं. नहीं छोड़ा उन्होंने.
अब हमारे कुछ मेंबर्स भी हैं जिनका बर्थडे दिसंबर में आता है. मेघना सिंगल जी, where are you? Birthday in your 1st December को आता है for you. Anjana Somani 4th December, ORLE. And Manju Baisi एंड एक है मंजू कुमार, वो भी आज नहीं है, उनका 11th का है। आप सबको जन्म शुभकामनाएं। फूलों की मुस्कान आपकी फोटो पर लगा, सूरज की किरणें करें आलोकित आपका हर दिन। यही हम सबकी आप सबके जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं हैं। एंड कुछ एनिवर्सरीज भी हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू विश देम ऑल्सो। सोनू नाहर 3rd दिसंबर, हमारी ISO प्रीति जैन 4th दिसंबर, मधुलिका मेहता इनकी मदर इन लॉ 11th, एंड मीरा जैन। आप सबको भी अपनी एनिवर्सरी की बहुत बहुत बधाई। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू
Madhu. Now I request PDC Manju Vesh, our club advisor, to give her good wishes and blessings.
Same to you.
आप बैठ जाओ, बैठ के बैठ जाइए। खड़े क्यों होना है? हाँ बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ। खड़ी हो वो तो हाँ बोले तो खड़े होके जल्दी हो जाता है। हाँ बहुत सुंदर।
माइक दे दो ना, माइक दीजिए, माइक दीजिए।
आज हमारी सीओ भी है और चेयरमैन जी आए हैं और खूबसूरत तो है ऐसे देखते तो हमारे क्लब ने बहुत कुछ प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं, उन सब के लिए जिन्होंने दान दिया तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। और सब लोग करते रहते हैं हमारे यहाँ। मेरे ख्याल से प्रेसिडेंट को तो कोई एफर्ट करना नहीं पड़ता। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ के पहले से पहले तो याद रखते हैं ये करना ये करना। सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत सी ब्लेसिंग। सब हमारे क्लब ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ता रहे, बहुत कुछ करता रहे और करता रहेगा, ये मुझे पूरा विश्वास है।
Thank you, Manju ji. I now call upon our treasurer Charu Mehta to formally introduce District Chairman Deepika Bali.
Madhuji gave such a beautiful introduction, so but I'll try. An infectious smile, a clear vision, and an inspiring presence. It is an honor to introduce our district chairman Deepika Bali ji, who doesn't need an introduction. She's an accomplished leader, entrepreneur, and humanitarian. Born into a distinguished Delhi family rooted in education and service, she grew up with strong values of empathy and excellence. A long-time learner, she holds a master's in English literature from Delhi University, a B.Ed from Annamalai University, and certifications in numerology and tarot. Her professional journey is impressive and impactful. She founded WINS Air Hostess Academy, partnered with NIIT Limited to run 2 successful centers, established the Balaji Educational Society to empower underprivileged youth. She manages her family business and runs a successful sari enterprise in Delhi NCR. Deepika ji's remarkable inner wheel journey began in 2011-12. She has led digital initiatives, strengthened communication networks, and hosted memorable district events. Her innovative initiatives have earned her numerous recognitions, including the Rising Star Trophy, Best Secretary, Best President Runner-up. Beyond Inner Wheel, Deepika ji is a committed Rotarian since 2008. She has led impactful projects in education, health, and women's empowerment, receiving several prestigious honors. Deepika ji inspires us all with her guiding mantra, purpose that drives us, passion that fuels us, progress that defines us.
Over to Deepika ji.
Thank you, Charo, for the kind introduction. मैं कॉन्फिडेंट कि मेरे पास आके माइक करा हेलो अब मैं थोड़ा कर रहा हूँ विजय जी it's such a pleasure when I am with you, always a pleasure, and it will always be, and being you the MOC of the day, it adds to the charm of the day. You must know that I am very fond of you. I have told this so many times, but I am saying it again.
So grateful. So,
यहाँ जो निगाहें बैठी हैं सबसे पहले इनके पास सवाल है सीओबी में इतनी देर क्यों लगी है ना वो अनफोल्ड होगा it will get unfolded and I will get applause for that. I'm sure of that. Okay. Namaste and warm greetings to this dynamic family of Innerville Delhi Mid. My God. What an honor for me as district chairman is to be here today among a club which is a role model for our district. And yes, definitely you need it because this is a club which has a legacy. You have guiding stars. Those have guided and shaped our district. And somehow you continue to bring them on and on and on. And I wish and hope that Midtown never ceases to give the district chairman and association executives. This is my wish for you. Because everybody here, your grooming is such that you are groomed, you are taught by the best, right? So, being a member of this club is a complete honor. And Mohita, this is for you especially, because yeah, you do not know where you have come. We have come to a club which is an absolute gem of our district. So, I will begin formally. Club President Archana Khandelwal, District Editor Dr. Anshu Singh, District Project Committee Chairperson, past National Editor Seema Khaitan ji, Club Advisor, our most senior and most respected PDC Manju Vaish ji, PDC Pushpa Bhargava ji, past District Chairman Manju Mittal ji, and yes, of course, our immediate past Association Secretary Dr. Urvashi Mittal, all the beautiful dynamic members of this club, presidents from other club, and guests. Namaste and my Innerville greetings to all of you. Actually, a COV, I call it celebration of vision. It is just not an ordinary day. It's a very, very, very special day for the club as well as the district chairman. Because this is the day when you come to a club, you interact, you share ideas, you share vision, and you learn and grow. It is for both, for the chairman as well as the club. Because this is the only day in chairman's life. I will have only one day where I can be with you and I am there for you and you are there for me. It's a beautiful system of our beautiful organization where chairman gets to officially visit every club of the district and understand the club, the achievements of the club, and if there are any issues whatsoever, to guide the club. And also this is a rare and golden opportunity for the club as well to interact with the district chairman, sharing their thoughts, their suggestions, their advices, their feedbacks. So we must make the most of it. Chairman official visit is really very important day. And now, what to say about the club president, Archana Khandelwal? Really, you have really shown how to step up and lead by example, Archana ji. You know, when I first met her and I was introduced that she would be the president next year, and I think I was meeting her for the first time. I mean, do say, you know, long highs, hellos and smile passes. That's it. Nothing more of that sort. I had any interaction with you. But, you know, there are times when you come to know the real, you or the real person. She came for the Udan skill development, thanks to you, Seema ji. Where she came for the inauguration, and she had already given me a check for a project. Okay, she had already handed over it to me. But that day I requested that I need money for one project, right? And the moment she heard, she could not even, you know, I could not even finish my line, and she immediately promised 51,000 rupees. So that's how, you know, you that day stepped up and led by example. And this is something which I will never forget. And yes, of course, any leadership title, it is not about holding a title. It is about how you carry your vision, how you create the impact with your kindness, compassion, and taking service and fellowship both hand in hand. And that's what you are doing. So, and of course, you are the most, so Archana, I'm saying it about you, but this way only. You are the most special president, you know. You are the golden president. And you have made history. 50th year president, my God. You will always remain, you have become a golden part of the history. And what a beautiful president Midtown has to celebrate the golden year. So, very, very proud of you, Archana. And your celebration of Swarnodev, heartiest congratulations to each of one of you for giving a memorable event, the golden jubilee of your club. And Manju ji, आप नहीं होते तो ये दिन नहीं आता. Always remember, अगर आज मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ, it's because of you. Anybody who is standing and sitting here, because of you. So, ये आप ही का लगाया हुआ वृक्ष है, आप सबका, जो आज यहाँ इतना सबसे छावदार, सबसे प्यारा वृक्ष है इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट 301 का. And of course, needless to say, you have a proud legacy, my God. I spoke my heart out that day about each one of you, starting from Manju Vash ji, Pushpa ji, Manju Mittal ji, Seema ji, and Urvashi ji. You must all know that you all are very, very close to my heart, and I look up to each one of you in different ways. And you really have inspired me in my journey. And the love I get from all of you is extremely special for me and will always be. Yes, this year we embrace the theme Save and Nurture. Two very simple words. We must save our values. We must save Innerwheel protocol, Innerwheel ethics. We must save environment. We must save our health. And nurture friendships, nurture leadership. So these two simple words are the key words this year for me and for all the club leaders. And along the journey, like we have spent 5 months, and I'm very happy and delighted that yes, we have really done some good work if we talk about Save and Nurture. And yes, it is always good to see when you see a club who is walking through with you, with your message, and I've, midterm, thank you for walking along with me, embracing Save and Nurture and doing all the projects in that line. देखा बंद हो गया ना इधर मुंह करते. And yes, I must acknowledge this club. District initiatives, when they get a strong support from a club, this is very special. And you have proved that when a club joins hands with the district, the impact multiplies. And I must congratulate you and keep doing it, because you have been a strong support in all the district initiatives. आप सबने बताया है कि इतिहास लिखने के लिए कलम की नहीं हौसलों की ज़रूरत होती है, तो आपके हौसलों को सलाम है. Now coming to today's COV, fully interactive, very hospitable, our gracious host for today, Amita ji, thank you, and हम खाते रहे, बातें करते रहे. Now if I talk about the executive team, I am going to say only one word for each one of you, क्योंकि आप इतने कमाल के हो, कहाँ से ना हो इतने adjectives. So हमारी अनु जी, club secretary, the only word for you is shining star. Club treasurer Charu, brilliant. ISO प्रीति, fabulous. और हमारी मधु जी, extraordinary. और हमारी IPP किरण जी. और किरण, देखो आप, किरण क्या करता है और दीप क्या करता है, समझ गए ना? एक ही है. अब आप सोच रहे थे कि हम COV में लेट क्यों हुए, तो मैं आपके लिए जो काम करने में आपका पूरा 1 GBM का टाइम, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा GBM प्लस उसके बाद 3 दिन फोन्स के जाते हैं, वो मैंने वैसे काम 2 करे आपके लिए. अब मैं आपको खुलासा करती हूँ, आपको सिंपल करती हूँ कि हमें अगले साल का प्रेसिडेंट बनाना होता है. GBM में शुरू होते हैं, एक को बोलते हैं तुम बन जाओ, वो हाँ ना, फिर 3 दिन हम फोन करते हैं, नहीं बनना है. तो 26-27 का प्रेसिडेंट, ताली बजा दो जी नम्रता जी के लिए. हाँ, लेकिन इनको मैंने कमिट करा है, ये 3 महीने बाहर होंगे तो हम इनको सपोर्ट करेंगे, ठीक है? We need support. आप सोचो 26-27 मैं वहां नहीं रुकी, मुझे मोटिवेशन मिला. 27-28 के लिए तालियां बजा दो. अरे वाह, आपने क्या सोचा मेरे साइन होंगे और मैं छोड़ दूंगी, पब्लिक होगा ये. अब आपको समझ में आया. पुष्पा जी, आप कह रही थी मैं थक गई, बात कितना काम करा नहीं, उससे आगे मेरे को सिर्फ अभी इन दोनों पे चाय मिलेगी किरण जी से, इसके बाद की बात करनी है तो फिर अलग से होगा. हम जो है इन चर्चा में, आपके पास इतने लीडर्स हैं, ये ढूंढना मुश्किल है किसको बनाएं, तो बड़ी मुश्किल से ये 2 चुने हैं. बाकी चारों, अमिता जी ये सब अभी लाइन में है, प्रीति आगे 3 साल 5 साल की योजना आपकी तैयार है, उसके बाद चारों, प्रीति, अमिता जी सब रेडी हैं. बस उसके लिए आपको मुझे दोबारा बुलाना पड़ेगा, तभी वो मानेंगे.
नहीं, आपने कहा था ना आप आ जाएंगी बुर्का पहन के,
वो तो मैं 100% आऊंगी. नहीं, वो मना कर दिया मंजू जी ने, बुर्का नहीं पहना, नो बुर्का, खुले आम आना. इसलिए थोड़ी देर हो गई. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब 10 जनवरी Inner Wheel Day, a very special day in our lives. So ये Inner Wheel Day हम ऑटिज्म की अवेयरनेस को डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं, एंड वी आर डेडिकेटेड टू दिस टू ऑटिस्टिक चिल्ड्रन. और उस दिन हम of course we are getting a speaker, Dr. Pankaj Maru, जो ऑटिज्म के लिए बहुत काम कर रहे हैं, और इसके साथ साथ एक 500 annually we can adopt one बच्चा, an autistic child, for some benefit. There is a government policy which gives them benefit, and it only costs 500 rupees annually. So we are this 10th January, instead of planting trees, क्योंकि उसके पीछे साइंटिफिक रीजन भी है, सर्दी में जरा हमारे इसमें पेड़ वेड़ नहीं लगते हैं, ये 10 जनवरी हम ऑटिज्म को डेडिकेट करने वाले हैं, और डेडिकेट करने वाले हैं इन ऑटिस्टिक चिल्ड्रन के लिए वो 500 रुपए की पॉलिसी करने हैं। और मुझे 1000 बच्चों का आपके क्लब से आश्वासन मिला है कि होगा, ठीक है? हाँ, किरण जी ने तो ऐसे कर दिया था, अर्चना जी ने कहा मैं पूछ के बताऊंगी, तो मैंने पूछ लिया आप सबसे, है ना? तो आई थिंक आपकी क्षमताएं तो बहुत ज्यादा हैं, पर अगर हम 1000 बच्चा, अगर हम उस दिन आपके द्वारा उन 1000 बच्चों को 1 साल का कंफर्ट, 1 साल की काउंसलिंग, 1 साल की इंक्लूजन दे सकते हैं इन merely 500 rupees, why not? Let's go ahead, and thank you, and I'm grateful for your commitment. इसके साथ साथ I am really grateful, and I really want to thank with folded hands to benevolent Manju Mittal ji and Amita ji. मैंने जिक्र करा कि मुझे डिस्ट्रिक्ट के 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स, 2 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए एक व्हीकल चाहिए, वैन, और यकीन मानिए मंजू जी ने कहा एक वैन मैं स्पॉन्सर कर दूंगी, और अमिता जी ने कहा एक वैन मैं स्पॉन्सर कर दूंगी। आज आपने जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट के ये जो 2 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक थैलेसीमिया की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिनको बच्चे लाने और ले जाने होते हैं ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन के लिए, उनको वैन चाहिए, और दूसरी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो स्पेशल किड्स की है, वो लेडी 2 साल से कोशिश कर रही है, और हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट को भी वो अप्रोच, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स मेंबर है, पिछले साल भी कोशिश करी, नहीं हुआ, इस साल मैं मिली तो मैंने कहा नहीं, इस साल मैं 30 जून से पहले हम करके जाएंगे, और मैं जो है आज गदगद हो गई हूँ कि उन दोनों नीडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आप इस मिड टाउन की तरफ से वैन मिलेगी। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। यही बात दिमाग में आती है कि कौन कहता है कि कामयाबी या सेवा भाव किस्मत से मिलता है। हौसलों में दम हो, किस्मत भी झुका करती है। आप सब ये प्रूव करते हैं, और जब आप ये करते हैं तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट आप पे बहुत गर्व करता है। आप बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्लब हैं, और बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्लब के मेंबर्स हैं। आई वॉज टेलिंग द यंग गर्ल्स कि इस इम्पोर्टेंट क्लब का मेंबर होना बहुत बड़ी प्रिविलेज भी है और बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है, बिकॉज you are entitled and you are dutiful to carry this legacy forward, because this is the only club of the district which is one of the, अतिशोक्ति नहीं होगी कि the most strongest pillar of the district. So you are a member of the most strongest pillar of the district. Yes, बिल्कुल प्राउड है। और आज के मेरे एक्सपीरियंस को मैं सिर्फ 4 लाइनों में शेयर करूंगी। किरण जी जितनी तो नहीं हूँ मैं उम्दा, लेकिन फिर भी व्यक्त करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
मैंने बहुत ढूंढने की कोशिश करी, कोई नहीं मिला।
नहीं मिला ना? जी, इन 4 लाइनों से पहले आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट अर्चना वंस अगेन and you and your team. You have been doing wonderful work, and I wish you a great year ahead. Yeah, this golden year you're making it so, you're leading it so beautifully. Keep doing that. So, अल्फाज कम है जज्बात बेहिसाब। आपके मिड टाउन के प्यार से महका आज हर ख्वाब। दोस्तों की दुआओं ने, आपके प्यार ने बांधा आज ऐसा समा कि खुशियों से भर गया है दिल का ये मकान। Thank you so very much. Thank you for joining me and congratulations to each one of you. Thank you.
ये भी मैचिंग है। हाँ, ये भी मैचिंग है।
Thank you.
थैंक यू दीपिका जी। आपने इतनी सारी लाइनें बोली तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी आपको फ्यू लाइन्स बोल दूं। धन्य भाग हमारे कि आप आए और आपके प्रशंसा से भरे शब्दों से हमारा मन हर्षा उठा। आपका तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। I request Vice President Sadhana Jain to give the vote of thanks.
Archana, I can give for 100 autistic children.
For the
वो अपने क्लब से दे ही रहे हैं
तो उसमें 100 आपके हो गए ना, आपके 100
100 बच्चे ना,
100 I can give.
हाँ, तो सब मतलब वो क्लब 1000 में इंक्लूड है।
आपने अब 900 की देखो, आप कह रहे हो प्रेसिडेंट को भी काम नहीं करना पड़ता, अब 900 की चिंता करनी है ना इनको।
अभी हमने कर दिया सीमा जी 1000 का।
I was just saying.
आपका ऐड कर देंगे। हाँ, आपका पेरेंट नाम होगा टॉप उसके बाद।
मुझे भी आपसे काम है अभी, आप खाना खाते हैं।
Club President Archana Khandelwal, District Chairman Deepika Bali, District Editor Anshu Singh Bali, Club Presidents, PDCs of our club, guests and members. A warm good afternoon to everyone. As the Vice President of our Innovate Club, it is my honor to extend a warm vote of thanks on this most important event in our calendar year, the COB. An occasion we all look forward to with great anticipation. A heartfelt thank you to our DC, Deepika Bali ji, for gracing this occasion and also wishing her a very, very happy birthday. A double celebration for us today. Thank you. Your observations and appreciation of our efforts inspires us and motivates us all the more. Thank you so much. This platform gives us an opportunity to reach out and help more sections of society with diverse needs. And for this, I would like to thank all our members for not only identifying but also wholeheartedly supporting all our projects. I would also like to thank Anshu Singh for being here today. With deep gratitude, I would like to thank our club advisor and child advice has always guided us. Thank you. Thanks to our guests, Dr. Bhagat from Shiva Center, Dr. Rajiv from Burn Healing Foundation, and Mrs. Tyagi from Hosla Foundation for their support and dedication in helping us to serve them better. Thank you, President Archana Khandelwal, for all your hard work and untiring efforts throughout the year. Commendable, absolutely. Thank you, Vijaya for being the MOC of the day and conducting the proceedings so beautifully. A big thank you to our hostess, Mrs. Amita Garan, for her hospitality, and we look forward to a delicious lunch that comes with a very big smile. Thank you all members for making the CB a big success. Thank you.
Archana, I would also like to give 100 autistic children.
I have hand.
The meeting is closed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pratika. Happy birthday to you. Healthy long life to you.
थैंक यू सो मच। बिना क्रीम का मैं आपको दूंगी। नहीं, पहले मैं मंजू को दूंगी। चम्मच है। What an honor। मंजू जी के साथ केक काटा आज मैंने। गुड। आज जब सिमित एक ही पूरे मिड टाउन की तरफ से